welcome to the ultimate adventure. Today, we're uncovering the secrets of mountain wonders and daring places you won't believe exist. I'm Jean-Claude, and I've always believed that to truly live, you must push your boundaries, face the raw power of nature, and discover the strength you never knew you possessed. These colossal giants of rock and ice are not just geographical features. They are arenas where the human spirit is tested, where every breath is a victory, and every summit reached is a testament to our resilience. It's a world of extreme beauty and unforgiving challenges. A place where you come face to face with your deepest fears and your greatest potential. Join me as we journey to the heart of these magnificent behemoths, exploring landscapes that will steal your breath away, and stories of courage that will ignite your soul. We're not just looking at pretty pictures, we're diving into the essence of adventure, feeling the biting wind, the burning in our lungs, the sheer exhilaration of confronting the untamed. This is about understanding what it takes to survive and thrive in environments that demand everything from you. It's about the call of the wild, a call that for some of us is impossible to ignore. These mountains have shaped me, taught me lessons no classroom ever could. They demand respect, preparation, and an unyielding will to persevere. Today, I want to share that raw, visceral experience with you. We'll explore the physical endurance required, the mental fortitude that separates success from failure, and the profound connection one feels when standing amid such grandeur. Get ready, because we're about to embark on a journey that will challenge your perceptions and perhaps even inspire you to seek your own mountain to conquer. This is adventure at its most primal. Our first stop, a place whispered in awe by mountaineers, Everest Base Camp. This isn't the summit, no, but make no mistake, reaching this point is a colossal battle against an unforgiving environment. The air here is thin, so thin it feels like your lungs are gasping for life with every single breath. The cold is relentless, seeping into your bones, a constant reminder that you are a guest in a kingdom of ice and rock. You're standing in the shadow of Chomolungma, mother goddess of the world, and her sheer scale is humbling, almost terrifying. It's a place that strips away the non-essential, leaving you with the raw core of your being. The journey to base camp is a pilgrimage, a slow, arduous trek through the Khumbu Valley. Each step is a conscious effort, a test of endurance against the ever-increasing altitude. You pass through Sherpa villages, their resilience etched into their faces, a people intertwined with these mighty peaks. You see the memorials for those who never returned, a stark reminder of the dangers that lurk. It's a mental game as much as a physical one. Your mind will try to tell you to turn back, to seek comfort. But the spirit of adventure, the call of the mountain, pushes you onward. This is where you learn about perseverance, about digging deep when you think there's nothing left. Finally, arriving at base camp is an explosion of emotion. You're surrounded by a city of tents, a temporary home for climbers daring to dream of the summit. There's a palpable energy here, a mix of excitement, trepidation, and immense respect for the giant that looms above. The Khumbu Icefall, a chaotic river of ice, groans and shifts nearby, a constant reminder of the mountain's raw power. Reaching this point, you feel an incredible sense of achievement, a shared bond with everyone who has made this journey. It's a taste of the extreme, a profound understanding of what it takes to even approach the world's highest stage. Next, we face the Matterhorn, an icon of the Alps, a near-perfect pyramid of rock that has captivated and challenged climbers for generations. Its shape is instantly recognizable, a formidable fang piercing the sky, often wreathed in swirling mists that add to its mystique. But don't let its stark beauty fool you. This mountain is a serious undertaking, demanding respect and skill. It's a magnet for adventurers, those who see its sheer faces not as barriers, but as invitations to test their mettle. The stories of triumph and tragedy on its slopes are legendary, woven into the very fabric of mountaineering history. The ascent of the Matterhorn is a vertical ballet, a dance with gravity where every hold, every foot placement is critical. You're often climbing exposed ridges with thousands of feet of air beneath your boots. The rock can be loose, the weather unpredictable, turning from sunshine to blizzard in moments. It requires intense concentration, physical strength, and an unwavering nerve. This isn't a hike, it's a full-body, full-mind commitment. You feel the wind trying to tear you from the face, you hear the clatter of dislodged stones, and you understand that this mountain tolerates no mistakes. It demands your absolute best. Reaching that narrow, exposed summit is a moment of pure, unadulterated triumph. The panoramic views of the surrounding Alps are breathtaking, a reward hard-earned through sweat, strain, and courage. You stand there on that precarious perch, feeling a connection to all those who have stood there before, who have dared to challenge this magnificent beast. The Matterhorn is more than just a climb. It's a rite of passage, a symbol of human ambition and the relentless pursuit of the extraordinary. It teaches you about focus, precision, and the incredible things you can achieve when you push past your perceived limits. Chapter 3: Angel Falls, the Lost World's Cascade. Now we journey deep into the heart of Venezuela's Canaima National Park to witness a spectacle of nature so grand it feels otherworldly, Angel Falls. This is the world's highest uninterrupted waterfall, a silver ribbon plummeting an astounding 979 meters from the summit of Tepuy, one of the region's mystical tabletop mountains. The local Pemon people call it Kerapakupai Meru, meaning waterfall of the deepest place. And deep it is, hidden within a lost world of dense, untamed jungle and colossal tepuis that rise like ancient fortresses from the green ocean below. The roar of the water is a primal sound, a constant reminder of nature's immense power. Reaching Angel Falls is an adventure in itself, a true expedition that tests your resilience long before you even glimpse the cascade. The journey typically involves a flight into a remote jungle outpost, followed by a multi-day boat trip up winding rivers, the Carao and then the Churun. You're battling relentless humidity, swarms of insects, and the ever-present sense of being in a truly wild, untamed environment. You navigate through dense rainforests, sleeping in hammocks, relying on the skills of your local guides. This isn't a tourist trail, it's an immersion into a world where survival instincts are key, and every moment is a connection to the raw, unfiltered power of nature. Finally, after days of challenging travel, you arrive at the viewpoint. And there it is, Angel Falls, cascading in an unbroken stream from the heavens, disappearing into mist at its base. The sheer scale is almost impossible to comprehend. It's a humbling, awe-inspiring sight that makes you feel incredibly small, yet profoundly grateful to witness such natural majesty. The journey to get here, the sweat, the struggle, it all melts away in the face of such breathtaking beauty. It's a powerful reminder that the world still holds wonders that demand effort and courage to behold, and the reward is an experience that sears itself into your memory forever. Chapter 4: Kilimanjaro, Africa's Icy Crown. Our adventure continues to Africa, to the legendary Mount Kilimanjaro, the continent's highest peak and the world's tallest freestanding mountain. This dormant volcano rises in solitary splendor from the East African plains, its snow-capped summit, Uhuru Peak, a beacon for adventurers from across the globe. What makes Kilimanjaro so unique is its journey through multiple distinct ecological zones. You begin your trek in lush, tropical rainforest, teeming with life, the air thick with the scent of damp earth and exotic flora. It's a world away from the icy wilderness that awaits you at the top. As you ascend, the landscape transforms dramatically. The rainforest gives way to heather and moorland, with giant groundsels and lobelias creating an almost alien landscape. Then comes the alpine desert, a stark, barren zone where only the hardiest plants survive. The air thins, the temperature drops, and every step becomes more challenging. This is where the mental battle truly begins. Altitude sickness is a constant threat, a silent enemy that can strike anyone, regardless of fitness. The mantra here is pole, pole, slowly, slowly, a Swahili phrase that becomes your guiding principle, a reminder to conserve energy and respect the mountain's pace. The final push to the summit is often done in the dead of night, a long, slow, freezing trudge up scree slopes under a canopy of stars. Your body screams for oxygen, your muscles ache, and your mind plays tricks on you. But then, as dawn approaches, you reach Stellar Point and then, finally, Uhuru Peak. Watching the sunrise paint the African plains below, with the glaciers of Kilimanjaro gleaming around you, is an experience of profound achievement and unparalleled beauty. It's a testament to human endurance, a journey that tests you physically and mentally, and ultimately rewards you with a perspective that changes you forever. This mountain demands everything, but it gives back so much more. Chapter 5, the Dolomites, vertical playgrounds of stone. For our final mountain wonder, we head to the Italian Alps, to the breathtaking Dolomites. These mountains are unlike any other, a UNESCO World Heritage Site famed for its stunning pale-colored rock formations, jagged peaks, sheer cliffs, and colossal towers that seem to erupt vertically from idyllic green valleys. Their beauty is dramatic, almost sculptural, changing colors with the light, from soft pinks at dawn to fiery oranges at sunset. This is a landscape that inspires awe, a place where nature has truly shown its artistic flair, but also its raw, untamed power. The Dolomites are a paradise for climbers and adventurers, but they offer a unique thrill known as Via Ferrata, or Iron Path. These routes, many originally built during World War I to help troops navigate the treacherous terrain, are now incredible pathways for modern-day thrill-seekers. Equipped with steel cables, ladders, rungs and bridges bolted into the rock via ferratas, allow you to traverse faces and ridges that would otherwise be accessible only to experienced rock climbers. You clip into the cables with a special lanyard system providing safety as you navigate these exposed and exhilarating routes. It's a unique blend of hiking and climbing, demanding strength, nerve, and a good head for heights. The sensation of moving along a Via Ferrata is pure adrenaline. You are high above the valley floor, clinging to the rock with vast panoramas unfolding around you. It's a physical challenge, testing your arm strength and your stamina, but it's also a mental one, pushing you to overcome any fear of heights. The reward is an incredible sense of freedom and accomplishment, and access to some of the most spectacular viewpoints imaginable. The Dolomites offer this unique way to engage with the vertical world, to feel the rock beneath your fingers and the wind in your hair, to experience the mountains in a truly immersive and heart-pounding way. This is adventure you can literally get a grip on. Chapter 6, the unending adventure. These mountain wonders are not just about the breathtaking views, but the daring adventures that come with them. Are you ready to take on the challenge? From the oxygen-starved heights of Everest Base Camp to the vertical dance on the Matterhorn, from the arduous journey to Angel Falls to the diverse ecosystems of Kilimanjaro and the iron paths of the Dolomites, each experience is a testament to the raw power of nature and the incredible resilience of the human spirit. These places demand everything from you, your strength, your courage, your will, but what they give back is immeasurable. A profound connection to the wild, a deeper understanding of your own capabilities and memories that will fuel your spirit for a lifetime. It's about more than just ticking off a list. It's about the journey, the struggle, the moments of doubt overcome, and the sheer unadulterated joy of achieving something truly difficult. Adventure is not just found in these far-flung places. It's a mindset, a willingness to step outside your comfort zone, to explore, to learn, and to grow. So I ask you again, are you ready to find your own mountain, your own challenge? It doesn't have to be Everest. It can be anything that pushes you, anything that makes you feel truly alive. The world is full of wonders waiting to be explored. Embrace the spirit of adventure, push your limits, and discover the strength that lies within you. Until next time, stay adventurous.